Hello students, I'm back for you, and here today we will discuss a very important and very interesting chapter of your class 10th trigonometry. And students, this chapter is also important for 11th, 12th and further. Okay, so let's first understand what do you mean by trigonometry. Okay, so can you see a term here, trigon? What do you mean by trigon? इसका मतलब है a triangle. Tri means three sides, so this trigon means a triangle. Okay, and there is one more word there, which means metron. Metron is what there. उसका meaning क्या है? Measurement. It means यहाँ से बहुत clarity मिलता है हमें. So in this chapter we will study about triangle and the measurement of all the sides of a triangle. Okay, so this is what about trigonometry, and this also deals with, we will discuss in this branch, we will discuss all the three sides and all the three angles of a triangle. Okay, and students, one important thing of trigonometry is what? We will always consider a right angle triangle. Which we would consider a right angle triangle. And here I have made a right angle triangle for you. Suppose I have given you the sign there, which you can understand. This is a sign for 90 degree, correct? So here we have three sides, AB, BC and AC, correct? This is our what triangle? Right angled triangle. Students, we already know in a right angle triangle we have three sides, right? And the name of the sides are perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, correct? Now, but we have to understand what is perpendicular, what is base and what is hypotenuse. Now see, I'm giving you the clarity over this, okay? One thing is important, if you have 90 degree angle there, so the side opposite to 90 degree, which is the longest side of a triangle, is what? Hypotenuse. Is what? Hypotenuse. The side opposite to 90 degree. So I'm writing here what are the three sides. How will you understand the three sides? What are the three sides first of all? Perpendicular, hypotenuse, and the third one is base. So what is hypotenuse? I already told you, the side opposite to 90 degree is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, now let's talk about perpendicular. Now students, see, in this chapter they will talk about theta, and in many chapters also. What is theta now? Theta is made like this. This is just nothing but a symbol to show an angle. Okay, suppose theta is given to you, which is angle C. Okay, angle C ka value is theta. So the side opposite to theta, side what? Opposite to angle theta is what we call perpendicular. What we call perpendicular. And here in this triangle we can easily judge this is a perpendicular, but in any other triangle, how we judge? We judge about after marking the angle theta. Okay, we will discuss this. in this module only. So here we can write the side opposite to angle theta is perpendicular. Okay. Now the base is very easy to understand. What is going to be base? The left side. We have three sides. We have already marked the two. So we can say this would be what? The base. Okay. So the side which is left is called what? Base. Okay. So this is important to understand. Again, I am repeating what are the three sides. First, the side opposite to 90 degrees is what? Hypotenuse. And the side opposite to angle theta. Suppose in one case you have given the angle theta is A. Then the side opposite to angle A, which is BC. BC क्या हो जाता? Perpendicular. So side opposite to angle theta is perpendicular, and the third side, which is unknown, which is left, that will be base. Okay. So this is all about perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Now we know that there is a relation between them, and this is what Pythagoras theorem. And what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is going to be the first formula for this chapter. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. And we are discussing here the numericals over this. See. So now you understand. In this chapter we will study right angle triangle. See, suppose I have a right angle triangle in which AB is given to me 4 centimeter, BC is given to me 3 centimeter, and I have to find out AC. So AB is 4, BC is 3, and I have to find the third side AC. Is there any relation between these three sides? Yes, we have. So what is the relation? Pythagoras theorem again. But first we have to understand what is hypotenuse and what is perpendicular and what is base. Okay. So a right angle triangle. Where is the 90-degree angle we have? Here they have already given angle B is 90 also. So this is your 90. And I have told you 90 के सामने we have what? Hypotenuse, right? And perpendicular and base you can mark any one of them because it will not कोई problem नहीं करेगा वो. Okay? So hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is 4, base is 3. Right? You can solve it and it's so easy. 4 square. And remember students, we have to learn the squares for 1 square till 20 square. This will help you a lot in this chapter. So 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. This you will get 25. But I want AC, not AC square. So AC will be what? Root of, when square will go on other side, it will become root, and this I will get 5, not minus 5, because this is what? Side, and it is going to be positive. So it's easy. And see students, there is a hint also कि you are doing correct or not. See, AC is the hypotenuse which is 5, which is larger than 4 and 3. And we know that hypotenuse is the largest side. Correct? Okay, so this is, we have found the hypotenuse. Now I am taking another example in which, see, I am just values में change करती हूँ and थोड़ा और, see, example 2. Suppose this is 13 and this is 12. So I can say AC is 13, AB is 12, and they are asking for BC. Okay, so what is given this time to you? 90 के सामने, which is hypotenuse. Correct. So hypotenuse is AC, perpendicular is AB, base is BC. I have put the values. I will put the values now. AC is given to you 13, AB is given to us 12, and they are asking for base this time. Right? And what is the square of 13? If you remember, you should. Yes. It is what? 169. For 12 it is 144. And we can solve it very easily. This will go here. And you will get 25. And the root of 25, we will get 5. So this is the basic of this, how we will find the sides. Okay, so we should know the Pythagoras theorem, and we should know what is perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Okay students, I think this becomes easy for you now. And okay, so these two examples are enough for to understand what is base, hypotenuse and perpendicular and how to find out them. Now, have you heard about Pythagorean triplet ever? There is a term Pythagorean triplet, and there are many Pythagorean triplets, but I am giving you only 3. Rest of you will find out and make a list. Okay, this is your homework now. So what are the Pythagorean triplet we have? One is very common, which is 3, 4, give you 5, and I will mark them like this only. What is this? See, this can be perpendicular and this can be base, but this should be hypotenuse because it is the longest side. So when you have 3, 4 now, the hypotenuse would come out to be 5. Okay. Next I have, from the example only, we have done the example abhi, just 12, 5, and you will get the hypotenuse which is 13. Second Pythagorean triplet. And this you should know. Like this you can apply in your example also. अगर ये दोनों solve करके याद है, it means you are going correct, right? And in competitive exam, this will help you a lot. And next I'm telling you 6, 8. This will give you what? 10 as an hypotenuse. Okay? So these are what? Pythagorean triplet. And I will tell you more in my next modules if you like it. So please watch these videos. Okay? So now this is going to be very important. So just see what is next in my bucket list. Yes. Now you have what I have already told you. We have three sides, right? Have you heard about trigonometric ratios? नहीं पढ़ा कभी because पहले time in this chapter you were studying, right? So now we'll discuss about trigonometric ratios, and ratios will give you hint. Abhi, what do you mean by ratios, Abhi? See, देखो, we have how many sides? How many sides of a triangle? Three sides. If you divide them, no, like we have three sides: perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base. If you divide them, you will get 6 trigonometric ratios. How many? 6 trigonometric ratios. And I will tell you 6. Okay? क्या क्या है वो? And there is a very easy method to learn this. And what is this method to learn? See, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bhole Sona Chandi Tole. It is quite funny, but it's the easiest way to learn. I'm telling you again, abhi dhyan se follow karna, okay? So what is that? These are the trigonometric ratios. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bhole Sona Chandi Tole. Yes. So what is this now? You will understand. See, P for perpendicular, B for base, P again for perpendicular, H for hypotenuse, again hypotenuse, and again base. And what is this SCT? I'm telling you about how many trigonometric ratios we will study. 6. So these are 3. Out of 6, these are 3, and S stands for sine. S stands for what? Sine. Sine theta. Actually, students, this is very important. I am telling you, Abhi, कि if you will say only cos, sine, cos, tan, they are nothing. They are just 0. Don't write it. ये wrong है ऐसे लिखना. What is the correct thing? Cos theta. So without angle, theta is what? Angle. So without angle, sine, cos, tan and any trigonometric ratio is nothing. Just keep it in your mind. This is very important. बच्चे करते हैं like they will write like sine equals to P by H. This is wrong. Okay? Okay, students, you are getting my point? So this should be sine theta. What it should be? This we will write like, this is not sin, okay? This is not sin, this is sine. And at the end we have tan theta. So we have sine theta, cos theta and tan theta, and I was talking about the ratios. So sine is what? P by H. Cos theta is what? B by H. And tan theta is what? P by B. And this I'm telling you again, the last time. Actually, students, you should follow your teachers, okay? I was following my teacher, that is why I can remember Voi, Pandit Badri Prasad. So, this is so easy and funny also. You can learn it, okay? So, I'm telling you in the last time abhi, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bhole Sona Chandi Tole. So, sine is what? P by H. Cos is what? B by H. And tan is what? Tan theta is what? P by B. Now, these are what? First trigonometric ratio. This is second trigonometric ratio. This is third. And what about the left 3? Do we have to learn those 3? जो बच गए हैं. Students, don't learn them. Like, वो h by p होता है या क्या होता है, ये लर्न नहीं करना है. Just remember their names and I will tell you the trick how to learn that. Okay, so I'm writing the fourth one now. Fourth is what? Cosec theta. What is cosec theta? And it is what? Just opposite, just reciprocal of sine. And reciprocal of sine is what? If it is p by h, cosec will be what? Cosec will be what? H upon p, hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So just learn one thing, ki cosec is just reciprocal of sine. Okay? Now, fifth trigonometric ratio is sec theta. Sec theta is what? Opposite of cos, which is h by b. Which is what? H by b. And the last trigonometric ratio is what? Cot theta. Which is cot theta, which is what? Base upon perpendicular. Okay, so these 6 trigonometric ratios we have. What is that? Sine, cos, tan. इनका values आपको learn करना है. And after that we have cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. This we can learn by just reciprocating these 3. Okay, so this is very important for us. And I'm making them in a box. And most important formulas जो हमको learn करने हैं, I'm writing it here and you can check and you can learn it from here. And please students, write this formula 3 times after this. After watching this video, write this formula 3 times and तुमको तभी learn हो जाएगा. Okay, please do that. So, first formula from here I can conclude is what? Cosec theta is just reciprocal of sine. Cosec is what? 1 upon sine. Okay. Now the second one. Sec theta is what? Reciprocal of cos theta. This is the second formula. Now the third. Tan theta is what? Sine upon cos theta. ये कैसे आया? Tan theta is what? Sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, I will tell you. See, this you don't have to prove anyone and this you don't have to show anywhere. This you just have to understand this. कि कैसे आया? Sine is what? I am placing the values. Sine is what? P by h. Okay, sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And cos theta is what? P by h. From here we can cancel out, है ना? Hypotenuse and hypotenuse. This I am getting what? P by P. And you can check students, क्या बताया था formula? Tan theta is P by B. So we are getting this formula after dividing sine theta and cos theta. Okay, so this is very important. Tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. Now, what is cot theta? Cot theta ko we can write it in 2 ways. I was telling you cot theta is reciprocal of tan, right? So tan is P by B. So cot theta should be B by P, means base upon perpendicular. अगर students cot tan का reciprocal है तो cot का और एक formula क्या हो जाता है? One more formula is what? Cos theta upon sin theta. Yes. Cot theta is what? Cos theta upon sine theta, and we can write it in one more way. So I'm making one more formula for this, which is cot theta is just nothing but reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of tan means just reciprocate them and you will get B by P. Okay, students, are you understanding? So these are the formula which is important for us, and these are 6 trigonometric ratios here. Okay, students, I hope it will help you. If you like my video, please share, like, and do subscribe. Thank you so much and keep watching my videos. Thank you.